Importing past final grades from a spreadsheet into Gradelink is very easy. And by having this data in Gradelink, you will be able to generate transcripts and report cards from previous years. You can only import grades and credits or units. You can't import other data such as attendance, standardized test scores, or awards. If you don't have transcript records saved in a spreadsheet format, you can still manually add the transcript records or manually attach PDF files to the student's file. And you can see the links in the description of this video for more information on how to do that. Before importing transcript records, student accounts must exist in your Gradelink account for the transcript records to be matched to. And you can see our video on importing students for more details. To import transcript records, go to Transcripts, Import. Then download the template. You can open the template in any spreadsheet program. I will use Google Sheets. You should be able to copy and paste the data from your old SIS program into this spreadsheet. The SIS student ID is where you will enter the student's ID number. You can enter either the student ID provided by your old SIS, if that was previously imported, or the student ID provided by Gradelink. Either one will work. Save the spreadsheet as a CSV file, and then upload it back to Gradelink. If you use the student ID provided by Gradelink, then check this box. If you use the student ID provided by your old SIS, uncheck this box. Press Submit. If there were no errors in your spreadsheet, all the rows will be imported and you will see this green confirmation text. If the spreadsheet has an error, no records will be imported, and you will see this red error message below. In addition, you will get a spreadsheet that lists all the errors on the far right column. Only rows that have an error will show an error message. And here are some tips about importing your data. First, know that Gradelink will import exactly what is on your spreadsheet. For example, if your data shows a student with 100% and a letter grade of F, that is exactly what will be on the student's transcript. So double check your data before you import it for smooth reporting. Ensure the students on the spreadsheet are in Gradelink. If the student ID is not found in Gradelink, then you will get this error message about the student ID not being found in Gradelink. It doesn't matter if the student is active or inactive, as long as they are in the system. If you're unsure, you can always upload your spreadsheet and Gradelink will flag any students who are not already in Gradelink. Thank you so much for choosing Gradelink. If you need any help along the way, our support team is available to you. Thanks for watching and happy importing.